I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious peach cobbler using canned peaches and store-bought pie crust. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, drain 2 large cans of sliced peaches thoroughly. Then, unroll 1 package of refrigerated pie crusts. You'll also need half a cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 cup of melted butter for our simple recipe. Now, let's prepare our flavorful peach filling. In a medium bowl, combine your well-drained canned peaches with half a cup of granulated sugar. Next, sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Gently stir these ingredients together until the peaches are evenly coated. This simple step ensures every bite of your cobbler will be perfectly sweet and spiced, ready for the oven. It's time to assemble our cobbler. First, press one of your refrigerated pie crusts into the bottom of a 9-inch baking dish. Make sure it fits snugly and covers the base. Next, pour your prepared peach filling evenly over this bottom crust. Then, take your second pie crust and cut it into 1-inch wide strips. Arrange these strips in a beautiful lattice pattern over the peaches. Almost done. Now, gently brush the lattice top of your cobbler with 1/4 cup of melted butter. This helps achieve that beautiful golden brown finish. Place your cobbler in the preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for 35 to 45 minutes. Look for a bubbly filling and a golden brown crust. Let it cool for about 15 minutes before serving warm with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.